Before we get started with today's video, I just want to let you know that my shopping vlogs are for entertainment and educational purposes. Please do not take my videos as guidance to leave your home. I am here to show you how to coupon better and tell you about the best deals. If you are under a shelter-in-place order and you feel like shopping may endanger you or someone else, please stay at home. We're all adults and I trust that we can all shop. Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So as you can see, we're back at CVS and we are about to get into another week of deals. So we're gonna roll through really quick, just grab our essentials and get up out of here. And we have some really decent deals this week. So we're starting off in the lotion aisle because the Eucerin is back on the spend 20 get back a $10 extra care buck deal. So this is the first deal that I want to get into today. So the Eucerin, when we spend $20, we're going to get back a $10 extra care buck. On the Eucerin website, you can pick up $3.50 coupons if you share them via email, Twitter, or Facebook. So you want to share the coupon and then you can print out this coupon for $3.50 off. We're going to grab two different Eucerin lotions. So we're going to get one of the skin calming creams that is right here for $9.79. And then we're also going to grab one of the regular daily hydration lotions that is $11.99. That's going to put us at about $21.78, I believe. We are going to use our $2.25 off of lotion, CRT, so load that to your account. And we're going to use these two $3.50 off coupons. After our coupons are applied, that's going to leave us paying just $12.53, I believe. And then we're going to get back a $10 extra care buck, making these babies only $1.26 each. All the way down from $11.99 and $9.79, we're going to be down to just $1 a piece. So we're going to grab these two as the first items in our deal. Okay, so now let's get into our spend 20, get back $5 extra care buck deal. So let me show you guys a close-up of this deal. So this deal, we're going to spend $20 on select P&G products and we are going to get back a $5 extra care buck. You can mix and match based on the products that you prefer. I think I'm going to stock up on some Tide and some Downy today. So the first item I'm going to grab is the Tide Pods. I'm going to use a $2 off coupon from the P&G. You may also have a digital. We also have a $1 in-app coupon that you can throw in on this deal as well. So that's going to be our first item. Then I am going to get two of the Tide liquid laundry detergents. So these are $5.94. I'm going to use a $2 off digital coupon and I'm also going to use one $2 off paper coupon from the P&G on the second bottle. And then finally, I'm going to grab a bottle of Downy. So you can get some of the Downy, the bigger bottles of Unstoppables if you prefer, or you can grab some of the liquid like I'm going to do today. So I'm going to grab one of the liquid. This is the 60 load bottle. Be careful because they also have the 40 load bottle, but our coupon does not work on that. So we want to grab this 60 load bottle right here. We have a $1 off digital coupon. We're going to use that plus our $1 off in-app coupon for a total of $2 off of this bottle. Okay, so here's our complete spend 20 get back $5 deal. We have three products that are $5.94. We got two bottles of Tide liquid laundry detergent. We're going to use the $2 off digital on one, a $2 off paper on one, and then we have our Downy. We're going to use the $1 off in-app coupon plus the $1 off manufacturer coupon, which is a digital as well. Then we have one bag of the Tide Pods. You have a $2 digital option if you haven't used that. I've already used mine, so I'm going to use the $2 off paper, and I'm also going to use the $1 in-app coupon. That's going to leave my total at $13.76 for these four products, and then I'm going to get back a $5 extra care buck, making these just $8.76 for all four products. While I'm here, I'm also going to grab some cereal and some Pop-Tarts. Pop-Tarts because they are a really good deal this week. So let's go into this. You can get the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, the Fruit Loops. We have some other cereals if you look around, like the Rice Krispie Treats and the Apple Jacks, that are also included in this deal. So whichever your family prefers. I'm going to grab one of the Frosted Flakes and one of the Fruit Loops. They are $1.99. I'm also going to pick up some Pop-Tarts. So the Pop-Tarts are $1.99 as well. And I'm going to pick up 3 boxes of those. So I'm going to have a total of 5 breakfast products. We're going to get 3 boxes of the Pop-Tarts, 2 boxes of cereal, and then I'm going to use some printable coupons that you can print from the Kellogg's Rewards website. So I have $1 off of 3 for the Pop-Tarts, and then I have $1 off of 2 for the cereal. So our total for all 5 breakfast products, we're going to get 3 boxes of the Pop-Tarts, 2 boxes of the cereal. We're going to use 2 $1 coupons, will be enough to qualify us to use our 2 off of 8 breakfast CRT. So we're going to use that 2 off of 8 breakfast CRT plus those manufacturer coupons. That's going to make our total for all 5 products just $5.95, or like $1.19 each. When it comes to cereal and Pop-Tarts, I think $1 a piece is a really good deal, so we're going to grab 5 of those today. When you're in CVS, take a peek at your vitamin section. A lot of the vitamins are actually marked down to 75% off, including some multivitamin products. So I know we're all trying to keep our immune system nice and healthy right now. So if you're looking for some vitamins, CVS may have what you need for 75% off. So take a peek around, and if you have some CRTs, you might be able to make a really good deal. Now let's get into our money maker deal for this week. The Crest, Scope, and Oral-B products, so toothbrushes, mouth rinse, and toothpaste, is 2 for $6. And then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $3 extra care buck. I'm starting off with 2 of the 3D White Crest because the $3 off teeth whitening CRT has been working on those. So I'm going to make this deal a little bit sweeter. I'm going to pick up another Crest toothpaste, and I'm also going to grab some Scope mouth rinse. So I'm going to use our $3 off 2 digital on 2 of the products because this does have a limit of 2. So I'm going to do 2 and use a $3 off 2 digital, and then I'm going to use 2 paper coupons as well that came out in today's Retail Me Not for my other 2 products. Because I want to make this deal a little bit sweeter and use a 3 off of 15 oral care CRT, I'm also grabbing a Colgate mouth rinse. These are $3.99, and then when you buy 1, you're going to get back a $2 extra care buck. So we're going to do that as well. All right, you guys, so this is my complete oral care deal, and I am so mad at myself because I printed a 75% off coupon for the Colgate, and y'all, I left it at home. And y'all know with the Rona outside, I am not about to go home and come back about that coupon. So our total is just going to be 75% higher for this deal, but it'll still work out okay. So we have our 4 Colgate and Scope products. Those are going to be $12. We're going to use our 3 off of 2 digital coupon on that, and we should have been using our 75% off Colgate coupon, but we're not going to worry about that because all of these 5 items total up to $15.99. That's going to qualify me to use my 3 off of 15 mouthwash CRT. So for some of you guys, your CRT may be 3 off of 12. If so, you don't have to worry about the Colgate. Don't worry about adding that in there. You can just buy these items over here, use that 3 off of 12 plus your 3 off of 2. We are also going to use our $1 coupons for the additional toothpaste that we got in today's Retail Me Not as well. So what that's going to mean for me is I'm going to end up paying $7.99 for these 5 items, but I'm going to get back $6 for these 4 and then $2 for these 4, making everything absolutely free. If we had have had our coupon for this, they would have been free plus a nice little money maker, but still a great deal when you're talking about adding in mouthwash to grab all of these items for free $99. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I'm grabbing in today's deal. We got a lot of goodies right here, but we're going to do something a little bit different, and I am going to do 2 different transactions. and that is because I only have about $15 in extra care bucks coming into this deal. So if I was to do this all in one transaction like I typically do, y'all, the out-of-pocket would be too high. So we're going to break this up and we're going to roll our ECBs from transaction number 1 to transaction number 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my oral care deal and my Eucerin in my first deal. I'm going to use my $3.50 off coupons for my Eucerin, plus my lotion CRT, and then all of those coupons that we just reviewed from the oral care. I should get back a total of $18 in extra care bucks from that first transaction. So I'm going to get back 10 from the lotion, and then I will get back 8 from the oral care products. Then I'm going to take those extra care bucks and I'm going to roll them over to the rest of my items, and I will use those extra care bucks to help pay for my Tide products and my cereal and my Pop-Tarts. And from that, I should get back a total of $5 for the household deal. So because I'm only going to get back $5 in transaction number 2, I am not going to spend all of my extra care bucks from transaction number 1 in that deal. I'll probably only roll about $12 in extra care bucks. So this is everything we have. We have all of our coupons down here already ready to go. Let's go up to the register and see how these two transactions work out.
Woke up this morning feeling different. I heard my angels tell me listen, yeah. Let it go and stop pretending. See, I was sent here on a mission, and I ain't asking for permission, no. I'll let it go and stop pretending. I'll let it go. Yes, I'll let it go. So I can get that money, 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 ooh, yeah. Money, 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 ooh. So I let it go. Money, 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 ooh, yeah. Money, 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 money. Get the money.
Okay, you guys, so I am back in the car. I had to take that mask off and Lysol everything down. So I just went on ahead and came back out here. Let me show you guys my receipts because those transactions were pretty interesting. The first one turned out to be a really nice money maker. So let me show you what I mean. So here's my receipt for transaction number 1. In this transaction, we just picked up the oral care products. So this was the 3 toothpaste and the 2 mouth rinses. And there's all of those right there. And then we also have the Eucerin. So the Eucerin was a good deal as well. So there is our 2 $1 coupons for the Crest, the $3.50 off coupons for the Eucerin. So this is why it turned out to be a nice little money maker. I thought it was just going to be free, but this turned out even better. So the Crest $3 off of 2 digital came off. Our 3 off of 15 oral care came off. But then because I bought that 3D white, y'all, that 3D white triggered my $3 off teeth whitening CRT to come off as well. Then we had our $2.25 off of lotion CRT, and my 50-cent off Crest in-app coupon came off. So I rolled $15 in extra care bucks. I paid $2.02 out of pocket in that transaction. I had a total of 96% in savings, but then you guys saw I got back a total of $18 in extra care bucks because I got back the $6 from the Crest, I got back the $2 from the Colgate, and I got back the $10 from the Eucerin. So I got back a total of $18 in extra care bucks after spending that $15 and $2 out of pocket. So transaction number 1 was a $1 moneymaker, which is nice because we had that Eucerin included as well. Okay, you guys, so now let's talk about transaction number 2. So here is a close-up of my receipt, if I can get that to focus. So there is the Tide, there's the Downy, there is the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, there is all of our Pop-Tarts, and here are our coupons down here. So the $1 coupons are for the Kellogg's products. We have the $2 coupons for the Tide products, and my $1 Downy digital coupon did not come off, but my $1 Downy in-app coupon did come off. So my total was $1 higher than it should have been on this transaction. My 2 off of 8 breakfast CRT did apply, and then I rolled $12 in extra care bucks from the first transaction. Now, keep in mind, I did get back $18 in extra care bucks from transaction number 1, so I could have rolled all 18 into this transaction and made my out-of-pocket only $2.71. But I decided to go ahead and pay a little bit of a higher out-of-pocket in this second transaction because I wanted to keep that $6 in extra care bucks to roll into next week. So I paid $8.71 plus tax in this second transaction. It should have been $7.71 plus tax, but that $1 Downy Digital did not come off. I should have given her a $1 paper Downy Digital to reduce that out of pocket, but it's Rona time. I just be trying to get in and out. So let me show you. I did get back my $5 in extra care bucks for the spend 20 deal, and then we have our $6 over there as well. So we're leaving today's deal with $11 in extra care bucks. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please remember to hit that thumbs up button. Check below as always for a written breakdown of all of these deals. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.